So guys, the next question we have over here is that there is one committee X, there is another committee Y, and we combine both of these committees to form a new committee which is called Z, right? Uh, the average of the committee for X is 25.7, for Y it's 29.3, and for Z it's 26.6, right? And we have to compare the members in X, the number of members in X, and the number of members in Y, right? So very similar approach, right? So let's suppose that this is one committee X, right? And there is this committee is X whose mean is also X, right? And the number of people are P. Similarly, the committee for Y has a mean of Y and the total number of people are Q, right? And this committee Z is combined by merging both the committees. This is Z, right? And the mean is Z over here and the total number of people are R, for example, right? Okay, so we know the formula. The formula is P upon Q. P upon Q. This is basically R is equals to P plus Q, right? So this, and this. Okay, so P upon Q is equals to Y minus Z upon Z minus X. This is the formula which I have told you in the previous question. So if you don't know this, you can watch back the last video, the video before this. Okay, so now Y is the mean for this, Z is the mean for this, X is the mean for this group. Okay, we are given over here that the mean of Y is 29.3. So that is equals to, so basically P upon Q is equals to Y 29.3 minus Z, which is 26.6, upon Z, which is 26.6, minus X, which is 25.7, right? So if you solve this, so P upon Q turns out to be, this will be how much? 4, 2.3, 2.7 upon, this will be 3, 9, 0.9, right? So this turns out to be 3 by 1. So what does this, so basically we have come to the conclusion that P upon Q is equals to 3 by 1. What does this mean? What was P? P were the number of people in the X committee, Q were the number of people in the Y committee, and P upon Q is 3 upon 1. That means if there are P people, which is 3, there will be 1 Q people, or which 1. So basically what I mean is that for example, if there are 4 people, right? So 3 of them will be out of P and one of the 4 people will be Q. So definitely P is much greater than Q, right? I mean, you can see the ratio also. So anyways, so we had to find out the different, like, which is greater, the members in X, which is P, or the members in Y, which is Q. So obviously we can see that P is greater than Q. P is greater than Q. So your answer becomes A. I hope this is clear. We were asked to find members in X, which is P, and the members in Y, which is Q. And P upon Q is 3:1. So obviously P is much more greater than Q, right? Because the ratio is 3:1. So you can say P is 3 times greater or whatever. So P is greater than Q. So the answer is A. I hope this is clear.